Planogram Builder Tutorial 1. Installing Planogram Builder. After purchasing a license or requesting a free trial, you will receive an email message as shown here. Click the link to open the setup instructions. Click on the link to download Planogram Builder. Click to run the installer. If you see a choice, try first by clicking on Install for all users. If the installation fails for all users, choose Install for me only. If you are asked for an administrator password, ask your IT to enter their password. Click Yes. Click on Next. Click Install. Click on Finish. Close your web browser. Planogram Builder is now installed. You can start Planogram Builder by double-clicking on its icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. The Planogram Builder login screen is displayed. Copy your account ID from the email message you received and paste it into the account ID text box. Also copy-paste your username. Then enter your password. Now click on Login. You have started Planogram Builder.